everyone, James here from the Fireplace Factory. We're just on our way to Rosie Williams. Rosie's the founder of White Collar, also Love Island Starlet. She's getting a media wall built and she's decided to go for the best-selling panoramic in the country, the Bespoke Panoramic 1500, and she's gone with the best in the country, that's ourselves. We've teamed up with Opulous Luxury Design, who we'll tag in, and they're going to be doing the builds on Monday. So we're going to go up now, go meet Rosie, Rosie and a partner, and then we've got some other exciting news which we will tell you later on. But we're nearly there now, up in Stockport, and we'll check in with you later on. I've just here with Rosie and little Yolo. We're here in Rosie's home. Rosie just took delivery of the Bespoke Panoramic 1500 with the new luxury logs. Big thanks to Rosie for letting us in a beautiful home today. Opulous coming on Monday to install. It's going up in the bedroom. It's the biggest trends going at the moment. Media wall up in the bedroom. We can't wait to see it, Rosie. Big thanks for letting us come in today. And Yolo being here, being lovely to us, even though I can be scared of dogs. He's a cracker. Right, we can't wait to see it. Good luck to the team on Monday, and we'll be back in the next few weeks to see you.
Yeah.
Spot on.